Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be driving this yellow 911 and its owner is going to be driving my blue 911. I have never driven a vintage 911 before. This one is as old as me, born in 1977, and it is in much better condition than I am. The owner has never driven a modern 911, so driving in my 991 is going to be quite the treat for him. Assuming I can fit inside this yellow 911S, should be quite a treat for me. Let's go check it out. Hi everybody, welcome back. This is my friend Costas and this is his beautiful 911S, 1977, yellow and in beautiful condition. This episode is special because it's going to be my first time ever driving in a vintage 911, and this is going to be Costas' first time ever driving a modern Porsche. So let's go check it out.
Hello everybody. This is really exciting. First time ever in a modern Porsche. There goes James in my car. All right, here we go. First experience in James' car. Well, seatbelt always helps. First impression in this car, first of all, it fits like a glove. Love the seats, comfy. The view outside is awesome. Steering wheel, fantastic. Okay, here we go. Sounds good. It's fun to see my car driving ahead of me. Oh, very nice and smooth, firm. Wow. What a difference from my old car. Actually, the suspension in this one is more firm than mine. Amazing. Let's put it in sport mode and see what it does. Whoa. Fantastic sound. What a dream. It's definitely a smooth ride. I love the interior. The difference from mine, you have more room inside, a little wider, even more headroom, and of course a lot modern than mine. I love it. Comparing with my car right in front of us, my car looks like a tiny little thing in front of this. Sound of this baby. Love it. Awesome. Here we are. I love this car.
You do?
I'm keeping it.
All right, let's see if I can get in. Oi! Wah!
Not bad, not bad.
It's all right, it's all right. So Costas is going off to enjoy my car for a little bit. I am gonna try and enjoy his car. So I'm sort of fitting in this okay. Headroom's a bit of an issue. First and second gear makes it feel like I'm trying to wipe my ass because the gear stick is like right underneath there. But, you know, it's all good fun. That sounds awesome. Is that right? Is that good? All right, reverse. Handbrake. Good Lord. First gear sucks. Second gear sucks. Oh! No power steering. Well, actually I quite like. I've got that sort of analog feel back. But yeah, first gear and second gear feels like it's some kind of cruel twisted joke. And I'm over revving in between gears, which is really embarrassing. But you know, let's go for it. Second gear, lovely. So yeah, headroom in here is a bit of an issue for a guy like me, 6'6". Thankfully, my stomach isn't much of an issue. There's loads of room between me and the steering wheel. There's not a whole lot of room between me and my knee and the gear shifter. It kind of feels like my knee is somehow soldering the gear shifter to the steering wheel. But the visibility's great. The engine sounds fantastic in the back. Yeah, I'm quite happy, but I am a little bit claustrophobic, or at least I suffer a little bit in my life from anxiety. I always have done. And I'm getting a little anxious driving this. I mean, partly because it's the pride and joy of my friend, but also because it is a little crowded in here. But it's good, you know, I can just drive in third gear all day, right? Fourth gear. But it's driving the dream, you know. When I was born, this car was just released, the 77. I was born in 77. So what, I'm 42, 43 later on this year. When I was in my teens, I guess this car was sort of the equivalent of my car now. Well, okay, my car's 7 years old, so maybe not quite. But certainly in my teens, this car was still a relatively new car, and it was still the pride and joy. And I remember from seeing several of them around Liverpool and Merseyside where I grew up. And it's just incredible to see that this car today is in such great condition, and it's got less miles on it than mine. My car's 7 years old and has 100,000 miles on it. This car is 42 years old and has 77,000 miles on it. Fuck. All right, first gear. Second gear. Let's give it a rip. Sorry, Costas. Third gear, didn't want to play ball. Oh, shit. Oh, that was reversed, that's why. Costas, I'm really sorry. Is that in fifth? It is. All right, so there we go. That can't be fifth gear. Okay, there's fourth gear. That's got to be fourth gear. There's fifth gear. So I was in third gear. Oh my God, this is so embarrassing. I can actually drive a stick shift. My 997 was manual. It was fine. Good Lord. But yeah, I'm getting pretty anxious now. It's to be fair, like I've got really bad anxiety sweats right now. But it is fun. It's fun to drive. So Costas is just taking my 911 for a spin. I had a quick spin in the 911S here, and it's everything I thought it would be. It's incredible to drive. The engine sounds amazing. It just feels like the classic 911 that you'd always hope it would be. But equally, it's small, it's tight, and I'm now anxious as hell because I'm a little bit claustrophobic. Good God, it's small in there compared to my 991. But you know, let's go and take it out for a longer spin and we'll see how we go. But so far, like, super happy, glad I've driven it. Glad my 911's bigger. That was exhilarating. I don't know for you.
You survived.
I survived. Your car survived, which is great. But let's talk about your experience first. So the first time you've driven a modern 911.
First of all, thank you for giving me the chance to drive your car.
Absolutely.
It was amazing. First experience, awesome. The inside of the car is comfortable. It's a little bit more roomy than mine, for sure. The instruments in front of you right there, the steering wheel is amazing. The sound of your car is awesome.
Good job, Soul Performance. I mean,
Yes.
it's the flat six engine, but we have the custom exhaust.
Especially when I put the sport mode on it, wow, amazing. So it was, I noticed the suspension more firm than mine,
Yeah.
sure. It was just a dream to drive, seriously.
The acceleration and power.
Acceleration was great. I was expecting, when I first stepped on it, I was a little hesitant to step on it because I thought it was going to be taking off like crazy. So, and it had a little, almost like a delay because I didn't step on it hard enough.
Okay.
And then once I got used to it though, and when you put your foot down, it goes.
Yeah.
And it's amazing, I love it.
Now, I was expecting this to give me more of a cockpit feel, but actually having just come out of this and driven this back home, this driving experience, I kind of feel like more like sort of fighter pilot mode, where you're in your cocoon, the central console makes you feel, the seats certainly make me feel more hugged. These are very comfortable seats, but as I was going around the corners, I felt like I was slipping and sliding a little bit.
And you don't have anything in between you and the passenger, so that feeling in your car, it makes you feel more secure.
Yeah.
And so mine is open, so you feel like if you're not used to it, they're going to slide off the seat.
Yeah. And you mentioned the instrument cluster. I found that, and I thought it probably is to do with my height, and I was having to bend down quite a lot, but it took quite a lot of effort to actually check the gauges. Where here it's just a quick glance of the eyes, like a cockpit again, that sort of heads-up display.
Right, your car, I had to actually raise the seat up a little bit for me, so that's why you're able to see everything right in front of you. Because mine, I'm not as tall as you are, so it's just perfect for me in my car.
Yeah.
So, awesome experience.
Well, Costas, thanks so much for coming on the show, on the program, the channel, whatever. Fall Colors Tour coming on Sunday. My wife and I are taking a couple of days to go up to the Lake Superior to see the fall colors as well next week. So hoping to get a bunch of footage in. And Project 996 is going to be back off the shelf because the paint job is in full swing. So 996 videos coming soon. Thanks so much for checking us out. Take care, and we'll see you in another video soon. Bye.
Bye.